Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM into this device. So, to get started, you'll want to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box. Now, if you can't find it, you can also use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which we do need to take the case off of the phone. Oh, that's neat. I actually didn't see this. Okay. And the tray is located at the bottom of the phone, right here. So let's grab our little tool. That sounded wrong, but let's move on. And push that in there. You can see that the tray will pop out enough for you to pull it out. And on the tray, you have space for just a SIM card. Now, more precisely two of them, one on top and one on the bottom, but there's a little bit of a caveat. The bottom one, which is labeled as SIM 2, can also double as an eSIM tray. So if you, or maybe not a tray, as an eSIM spot. So if you're planning to use a eSIM and a SIM card, make sure you place one of your SIM cards, or the only one that you would be placing as a physical one, on the SIM spot number 1, as the SIM spot number 2 becomes an eSIM, which obviously there is no card to put in, but at that point this tray basically becomes turned off. So place the card on the tray right here and make sure it's clipped in correctly. It should not be falling out if you flip it upside down, and then just insert it back into your device. When you do so, the card should start working right away. Come on, there we go. So gonna confirm my SIM card pin, and this unlocks it, and we're good to go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.